Organizations are looking for ways to ensure that employees can count on using their business tools and applications, regardless of their working environment. While there are different challenges to cope with in any setting, end users should not need to deal with underperforming business tools when it comes to delivering the business outcomes expected of them. Managers need advice to help with the immediate challenge of employees working remotely. Moving forward, as people begin to return to the office and flexibility in how and where people work becomes normal, many organizations will be looking for guidance. Today, I'm here to share with you some information about 3 consulting services that Poly offers that can help you ensure collaboration success immediately and long-term. Poly UC Health Check service is a 2-day consulting engagement where one of our certified professionals completes a holistic review of your existing collaboration solutions and provides you with personalized recommendations. Our certified unified communications experts will review your organization's goals, objectives, and any remote working related operational issues, conduct discovery to understand the ongoing or new remote working demands on the existing UC platform solution to support remote working needs and use cases required, provide analysis and validation of your existing UC platform solution and design, looking at configurations, performance, recoverability, and overall stability. At the conclusion of the engagement, we provide a brief health summary output, which represents our key findings, recommendations, and proposed next steps. Poly Essential Network Health Service focuses on delivering expert consultancy and analysis of your network and providing you with recommendations for improving performance in meeting the low loss, latency, and jitter requirements needed to support real-time and high-quality communication and collaboration. Poly can deliver this service remotely into environments with and without in-place network probes. We cover things like QoS and bandwidth needs, connectivity for your remote users over internet or VPN, Wi-Fi best practices, discussion of public internet speed tests and tools, general self-help troubleshooting techniques, and hardware discussion, including home router, wired, and wireless connectivity. As with our UC Health Check service, you receive a brief health summary output, which represents our key findings, analysis, recommendations, and proposed next steps in order to prepare or optimize your network connectivity. Headset Readiness helps you by assisting with best practices for deployment and management of Poly headsets, reviewing prerequisites and user personas, providing up to 4 hours of knowledge transfer to customer admins, and offering monthly check-ins for 3 months. All of these professional services are delivered by our certified UC experts at Poly. Rest assured, you will be working with the best. Poly end-to-end solutions, enabling human connections.